Oh no, will my homeowner's insurance cover this? Let's find out. So what does your home insurance policy cover? You're paying for it. You need to know. The following are just a few things that are commonly covered by a standard ISO HO3 insurance policy. Insurance policies vary, and you need to seek professional advice about what is and what is not covered by your particular policy. We will be glad to help at no cost up front. The truth is, most homeowners know about only the big stuff, like fire, tornadoes, hail, hurricanes, but coverage can vary depending on your policy and state. Burglary and theft, but coverage varies according to your policy. If you ask us before it happens, we'll let you know what is covered and what is not. What about water leak damage? It only takes a little water to do a lot of damage. Lightning strike damage. Even if there's no fire, what about the electronics? Out of control grill fire. Look out for the siding. Explosion damage. There goes the neighborhood. Damage from ice and snow. Vandalism and graffiti. Smoke and soot residue is unsightly and unhealthy.
Whoa!
Even human stupidity is often covered. Just ask us. We'll let you know if your stupidity is covered. I know mine is. So, no worries. Just stay calm. We've got the answers. The best way to find out if you've got a claim is to email us pictures of the damage, and we will give you our expert advice. Our advice will cost you nothing. If you decide to sign with us and we collect from the insurance company, then we get a percentage of what we collect for you. Well, you may be asking yourself, how effective are public adjusters? Well, according to the Office of Program Policy Analysis and Government Accountability, when homeowners use a public adjuster firm to handle their claims, they get up to 574% more than if they did not use a public adjuster. So, to find out if you've got a claim, email questions and pictures of the damage to davidmetropa@gmail.com or text 404-477-4958, and we will give you our expert advice on your claim. Your information is always confidential and never sold.